Hello guys, this is Lotus. Today I'm going to unbox a package from leathercrafttools.com. I expected packaged a lot and this came and I opened it and I just want to share what I bought and the things that I'm going to review in the future. So it's very nice, well packaged, and here's the things that I bought. It's 4 things. And first, it's a Tokuno. It arrived very safely with a leaking. It's a Tokuno finish. You can finish your edge or you can finish your backside of the leather. It's a very good product. And interesting thing, they sell this. It's called Tatami Berry. It's quite stiff. Not sure how thin or thick it is. I haven't opened it just yet. But it's good thickness and good firmness that you can use it for inlay, or you can use your liner material. Even you can use it. It's very interesting. It's very nice. It looks very Oriental, Japanese, Asian theme to it. So I was expecting this a lot, and I quite like it. And this is a tool. 2 tools. Oh, by the way, there was a campaign, free campaign. It's a cup sleeve kit. I'm lucky whenever I try to buy something from leathercrafttools.com. They offer a free campaign, so they throw stuff and things like this, so you can make your own leather cup sleeve. So very nice touch. Thanks to leathercrafttools.com. And these are the tools. Okay, so one tool, this is a corner punch. You can cut corner really clean with this punch. Like this. It's made in Japan. Yeah. I suppose this steel is SK5, which is really not bad steel. And this edger is exclusive in leathercrafttools.com, and I look at it and I see many different things than ordinary Japanese style edger, and I can see that this is really way better. I can just see it only from just looking at it, and I definitely going to try it. I'm going to see what it's like, and I want to review this tool. So except for Tokuno, oh yeah, I will do another video on how to finish your edge with Tokuno, and I want to do a review video of each, and that's it. So it's really nice website that you can buy. They ship worldwide. I'm in Germany right now, and they sent it with I paid for registered shipping, and it arrived really fast too. And the shipping price is really good. It's really good. So whether you are in Russia, US, or Japan itself, you can order it from Japan to Japan, of course. You can go to leathercrafttools.com. It's in English, so and there's a lot of products. You know, I'll show you around when I do review of each product. Okay, so thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And so whenever I do review video, you can go ahead and watch it. And there's a bell button right next to the subscribe button. If you click that bell, if I upload a new video, you will get a update. So you have a app in your cell phone, you can get a notification from that bell button. So make sure to click that. And I've done a lot of videos in the past already. So if you haven't watched my past video, you can always search, or you can check on my channel to see what I have done before. So go ahead. So okay, so thanks for watching today. Have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.